Hello, welcome to my first video about lesson plans. So this is my first video, so I'm not so good doing videos, but I will try to do the best. In this case, I will take the lesson plan number one. So the topic for this lesson is our five senses. Uh, well, as objectives, we have the students will be able to identify each part or identify each one or five senses. In this case, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, and sight. So another objective is the students will be able to know about each part of our body that makes possible each sense. So the methods will be community language learning, total physical response, and natural approach. The strategy will be using scaffolding, graphic organizer, read aloud clues. Didactic materials. As material I have choose, for example, drawings like this, realia objects like this, the book, and flashcard like this. Okay, so as anticipatory set, I will show draws or pictures, people using each sense. For example, here students will watch people using the sense, the five sense. Okay. According to the objective, I will show them pictures with people using their sense or draws in the same way, using each sense. Okay. After that, I could explain about our parts of our body that makes possible each sense. For example, the ear, let me hearing, the tongue, let me taste, my nose, let me smell, my finger or my hand, let me touch, and my eyes, let me sign. Okay. As a guided practice, the students will choose some object. For example, I don't know, maybe it could be the colors, and they will explain me what parts of our body they will use to see. In the same way for other things, for example, if they choose chocolates or candies, they will tell me about what sense are they will use, or what sense and the part of our body they are using. Okay. After all the guided practice, as independent practice, they will work in the activities in the books. For example, they will do the activities at home, or if we have time, the activities will be done at school. But the class is 30 minutes, it's not possible to have a lot of time to do these activities in the group. So it's better to do it at home. The last part, the assessment will be during the class, will be done along the class because as I told you, the class is not long. It have a short time. So for this case, I could do question, for example, what sense do we perceive with our tongue, or what sense do we perceive with our eyes? So in this way for our five senses. If they need closing review, if some class is necessary, or they need to review the class, I will use flashcards, and will explain again each part of our body